Hey guys, Sandra Edmond, the Queen of Tax Deeds. Sorry I've got you guys pointed in the wrong direction, but this was the only way that I can do this video and not be holding the phone while I'm driving. So anyway, I'm driving around looking for some, people are looking at me like I'm crazy here, driving around looking for some properties that are delinquent in taxes. I just wanted to remind you that today is the last day to sign up for CFRI's class on Saturday to get the discount. So tonight is the last night to sign up if you want to go to the class on Saturday. I only teach this class once a year, so sign up now. It's Saturday from 9:30 to 5:30 and get your discount by signing up right now. And I look forward to seeing you there and just driving around, checking out neighborhoods, looking for some properties that are delinquent in taxes. And on Saturday, we're going to be talking to you about how to find those deals, what we do with those deals, how we make money with those deals, and also how to find deals that maybe other people may not know about, and also the ones that people do know about, how to get ahead of the competition. I'll see you on Saturday, CFRI.net.